Hey Faceless family, welcome to Debt Busters. In today's video, we will look at video creation and demonstrate how to use the power of InVideo to earn a whopping $500 daily. You've come to the perfect place if you've ever wondered how to turn your video editing skills into a lucrative revenue stream. What if you have no prior experience? Not a problem. Follow this video to the end and uncover the potential to earn a considerable daily income using InVideo. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. The first and most crucial stage in video development is identifying your content's ideal niche. You may make specialized and valuable videos for your audience by selecting a specialization, such as software reviews. You can, for example, decide to do videos on several software items within this niche, providing comprehensive reviews on their performance and even revealing pricing details to keep your audience informed. We understand how difficult it may be to locate the appropriate niche for your videos. But don't worry at all. If you're stuck for ideas, simply ask ChatGPT, and it will present you with a list of prospective niches to choose from. Review the suggestions and choose the one that speaks to you the most. Once you've made your decision, it's time to start making your videos. A well-crafted script, a professional narration, appropriate stock material, and even some background music to improve the entire experience are required for creating a high-quality video. This is when our sponsor InVideo comes in handy. InVideo is a robust video editing platform that can assist you in incorporating all of these features into your videos smoothly. Thanks to its user-friendly interface and a vast library of resources, you'll have access to a wide choice of configurable themes, attractive stock footage, and royalty-free audio tracks to boost your video content. Let's start on the first phase of making your video, acquiring the screenplay. This technique has grown considerably simpler as AI technology has advanced. All you have to do is provide ChatGPT with your niche, specify the length of the video script, and let it do its thing. ChatGPT will create a script specific to your niche and video length. Once satisfied with the script, copy and paste the material into a separate word processor. You can have the screenplay ready for your video production process this way. With your script ready, it's time to put it to life with InVideo. Creating a gorgeous video is a breeze with InVideo's user-friendly online video editor and various themes. Begin by logging into your InVideo account. You can click the link below the video description to make a free account and follow along. No credit card required. Once logged in, you can use InVideo's text-to-video function to seamlessly convert your script into an engaging visual experience. The simple editor lets you change the appearance, arrangement, and timing of the text in your video. Before making your video, you should consider a few crucial questions that will assist you in properly targeting the right audience. Determine the purpose of your video first. Are you attempting to communicate a topic or instruct your audience on how to perform a task? Understanding your goal can help you choose the best instructional approach for your topic. Consider the platform where you intend to publish your video next. Each platform has its own distinct features and audience preferences. Short videos, for example, do well on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as YouTube Shorts. These cater to viewers who leisurely skim through material. On the other hand, YouTube is known for its information-rich atmosphere, making it suitable for longer movies. Corporate videos are often seen on websites, as social networks are better suited for audience engagement. Keep in mind the aspect ratio that works optimally for each platform. Facebook Watch, long-form YouTube content, and website videos typically have a 16:9 aspect ratio, whereas Instagram has a 1:1 aspect ratio. However, landscape videos are now compatible. For optimal viewing, IGTV and Instagram stories require a 9:16 ratio. Finally, define your ultimate goal. What do you want your viewers to do after watching your video? Platforms such as Facebook and YouTube provide redirection possibilities if you want to drive purchases by offering clickable links. However, Instagram might not be the best option for direct product advertising. Nonetheless, all channels may be valuable tools for engaging and connecting with your audience. But for now, the focus is on making a video to upload on YouTube, so you must choose a 16:9 aspect ratio. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Now that you have the script, you can convert it to video by clicking on AI text to video. Choose the template that best fits your script and paste your script into the text field on the left side of the screen. Click Create Scenes in InVideo will then automatically create scenes from your script. The next step is developing your video. Digital storyboarding. You can add, duplicate, or delete scenes to suit your needs. InVideo makes it even easier by recommending footage for each scene. You can, however, browse their enormous stock library and handpick the video that best fits your business. If you have your own video, you can upload it and smoothly integrate it into the video by dragging and dropping it into the appropriate places. InVideo automatically inserts music into every video from its massive royalty-free stock music library. The selection of music is critical to establish the appropriate speed and atmosphere. If you're primarily speaking throughout the video, you may want to choose a light track, or maybe skip the music entirely. Try using sound effects to highlight specific visuals or critical ideas in such circumstances. InVideo provides an extensive range of royalty-free music and sound effects, simply organized by mood. You can browse through this extensive library to find the ideal track to match the mood of your video. If you already have a track in mind, you can quickly upload it to the platform and seamlessly integrate it into the chronology of your scenes. InVideo assures that adding music to your video is simple. To edit the music, you're going to scroll to the bottom left corner of the video window and click Edit Background Music. You'll want to reduce the background music to somewhere between -15 to -20 decibels so the music doesn't overpower your voiceover. Speaking of voiceover, next to the Edit Background Music button is the Add Voiceover in Editor button. Clicking that will give you options such as Automate Text to Speech, Import from Uploads, Upload your voiceover file, and Record Voiceover. We're going to choose Automate Text to Speech to show you how InVideo's AI voice options sound. InVideo offers language choices such as Australian, British, and US English, French, Canadian French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, US Spanish, and Thai. Let's try out US English since that's what most of my viewers speak. We have 9 voiceover options to choose from in US English. Let's see how John sounds.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Okay, let's try Sophie next.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
And finally, let's try Nathan.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
I think I like Nathan best. Let me know which voice you like in the comments. To confirm everything is in order, use the preview button to review each scenario. This allows you to double check whether any changes or updates are required before proceeding. After completing your scenes with images, add text to underline the central themes in your video. Text may be an excellent tool for increasing comprehension and engagement. You also have the option of including icons and graphics to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your video. A voiceover can be extremely useful for tutorial-style videos, especially when employing screen recordings without accompanying audio. InVideo allows you to record and add a voiceover right within the platform. InVideo makes it simple to insert a voiceover for each scene or video. Simply record your voiceover and sync it with the video chronology to give your viewers a flawless audio-visual experience. Alternatively, if you have a pre-recorded voiceover, you can simply upload the file, and it will be smoothly integrated into the chronology of your video. This gives you complete control over your video's audio features, delivering a professional and coherent experience for your viewers. InVideo also provides a selection of ready-made graphics that may be simply customized by modifying the text. Furthermore, they offer a library of icons and symbols and stickers, allowing you to embellish your video creatively. These stickers include their own animations, avoiding the need for additional add-ons. Once you're happy with the final version of your video, export it in a format appropriate for the platform where it will be uploaded. InVideo allows you to select the best format for your needs, assuring maximum compatibility and playback quality. If you're working with a group, InVideo makes it easy to share the video by offering a shareable link. This allows you to collect feedback and input from your colleagues without performing repeated exports and downloading files. InVideo's goal is to streamline your workflow and save time and effort. You can then upload the video on YouTube, but please note that consistency and hard work will enable you to make a profit of at least $500 a day from the videos you make. Let's now look at the pricing. InVideo provides a variety of programs to meet a variety of demands and budgets. If you want to try out the InVideo editor, there is a free alternative that allows you to explore the platform's features and capabilities at no cost. The free plan gives you over 6,000 video templates, a standard media library with over 3 million elements, an AI script generator, and automated text-to-speech features. The business plan is offered for $15 per month, invoiced annually at $180 for small businesses, educators, and influencers seeking more features and benefits. You'll get no watermark on your videos, up to 60 HD video exports per month, 10 iStock media assets per month, access to over 1 million premium media elements, and 20 monthly remove background requests with this subscription. A 7-day money-back guarantee and a mobile app subscription are also included in the business plan. The unlimited package is suited for agencies and larger teams with more broad needs. The unlimited subscription, which costs $30 per month and $360 per year, includes perks such as no watermark on videos, unlimited HD video exports per month, 120 iStock media assets per month, access to over 1 million premium media elements, and 40 monthly background removal requests. This plan also includes a 7-day money-back guarantee and a subscription to InVideo's mobile app. The good news is that InVideo offers a lifetime business plan for $399, providing lifetime access to the business plan's features and perks. Those interested can immediately contact their live chat support team to take advantage of this special offer. Choose the package that best meets your demands and budget and unleash InVideo's full potential for your video producing activities. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsor, InVideo. You can try InVideo for free by using our link in the description. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to use InVideo to make $500 a day. You can learn more about InVideo by checking out Create a Faceless YouTube Channel using only AI, InVideo plus VidIQ. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.